everybody, welcome back. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have noticed I had gone to the indoor flea market and went thrifting. I found this really cool, granted I'm in a military installation area, but I found this really cool, it's all military equipment, like old military equipment. I think these are old range signs. And I did a lot of shopping this past week. There was one very particular place that I went to. It was like a vendor. I'm thinking about getting like a 3 to put on my son's wall. And I also found this ammo can that I think I want to put on my son's bookshelf. One of them is a Korean War veteran, he said, and then the other one served and retired out of the military. Two of the gentlemen were in their early 80s, and they had some really, really amazing, very historic things. You said World War I? That's amazing. I'm taking a video, actually. So how did you get your hands on this?
I got it from an estate auction.
Yeah? I may be a little bit biased because I am in the military myself, so when I see things that have age and history to something that I am currently doing myself, serving my country, and seeing those things just become, current to actually later history, I really appreciate those kinds of things. So there's a couple of things that they had collected, throughout their travels and then long past their time in service that I picked up, and I wanted to share them with y'all. I just recently bought a house, and right now my priority is to focus on both of my children's rooms. I'm planning on doing an entire series dedicated to their rooms. The things you're about to see are going to go in either one of my children's rooms. One of the very first things that caught my eye was this ammo can. This is going to serve as decor and function, so I'm going to clean this out, and I'm going to have him use it as a place to store some of his school supplies or art supplies and things like that. After I saw that ammo can, I turned around and saw these signs here. At first, I thought they were old range signs, like shooting range and things like that, but that's not what they are. The gentleman told me that they were like street signs or like parking signs or something like that from Germany that he brought with him. He had a total of, I think, 7 or 8 of them. At first I wasn't sure which numbers to choose, but then I saw an opportunity to get numbers that were in order. I went with the 401, the 501, and the 601. These are going to go on my son's wall, and I'm kind of excited. I then saw this little truck. It's a metal truck. My oldest son has a tractor that my father gave him that used to be his before. He doesn't play with it. The paint's kind of chipping off, so that is only used as a decor piece. But I saw this Texaco. I'm from Texas. I loved that it was in great condition. It's actually a piggy bank. The coins go here in the back. You can open it up here, but the bottom is missing. But that's okay. I'm not planning on actually using this as a piggy bank. It's going to only serve decor purpose. It's a little collectible, and this was produced, I think, in '96, so not too old. The last thing that I picked up from that vendor is this propeller. It's heavy, it's actually real wood, and it has a serial number. It has a company on it, and this says it's Sensenich Corp. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's got an RN number, a serial number, and a model number right on it. And I did some research on this propeller, and I found that this was produced in the 30s and 40s. This is from a drone, and it was used to, actually, you know what? What I'm going to do is pop in a screenshot of some of the history that I found on it, and I'm also going to share some of the links that I found below. When I saw this, I could not put it down. It is a really gorgeous piece, and it is in mint condition. I mean, it's in great condition. I'm planning on mounting this on the wall in my youngest son's bedroom. I think I have an idea as to how I'm going to mount it on the wall. I'll keep y'all posted on that. But I mean, I think this is This is absolutely my favorite find of that day, of this entire trip, of this entire haul. I didn't pick this one up today, but I wanted to share this one in this haul because it is also a thrift find. Someone took the time to actually stitch this. I don't know if it's handmade or if it was done by some sort of an embroidery machine, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It is a worn, very realistic replica of the flag itself. If you've ever been to DC, I really recommend that y'all go see the American flag. I mean, the one that they have in the museum. You cannot take photos, you cannot take video. They actually have it in this very, very dark room, but you can see just the beauty of it. Another piece that I picked up is this really gorgeous copper and wood toned lamp. Unfortunately, my clumsy self broke the beautiful, beautiful globe that was on it. But it's okay, because I'm planning on getting those really big light bulbs. I got this for my son for his desk. He has a desk in his room, and he really needed a lamp in there. So when I saw that, the copper tones on it, beautiful, gorgeous, perfect. But then I went and broke it. Good job, Mom. The very last thing that I'm going to show y'all today is this frame. I did not get it for the picture, just in case you were wondering. I got it for the frame and the mat itself. I absolutely love black, gold, green. They're my three favorite combos, and white. I have the perfect print that I'm going to be putting in here that I purchased from a vendor at a farmer's market back when I lived in Tennessee, like 4 years ago, maybe 5. I had it stored in this other frame, but that frame broke, and I decided this time I wanted to go for something with a little bit more personality and character. So when I saw that frame, I was like, okay, done, got it, taking it. So this is gonna be a little bit of a DIY project as well, but I couldn't pass up on the opportunity for a beautiful, beautiful frame. It was priced at $7.99, but when I picked it up at the thrift store that day, they had 50% off, so I only paid $4.50 for that frame, which I think is a great price. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I found one more piece and I was legit about to completely forget to show y'all. But for this, you have to come off the camera. I scored this really beautiful headboard and footboard for $20. The footboard is still in the garage. I thought that was a steal. I loved this brass little detail on both sides of the headboard. And another thing that I really appreciated was the speckled print on this headboard, as you can see. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I have. If you enjoyed today's thrift haul, let me know. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like more videos like this, I have another haul on my channel. And if you're curious as to how I'm going to put these to use, stay tuned because I have an entire series coming up for the 2 bedrooms that I'm going to be redoing, which are both of my children's bedrooms. And as you can see, I have more of a collected vintage, rustic, sort of character and theme and scheme going on in their bedrooms thus far.